And then later in life, as they go towards menopause,
Yeah.
as you go towards menopause, you're basically going towards a constant state of low estrogen,
Yeah.
right? Until you finally hit menopause, where you stop your periods. Therefore, those few days that you experience are happening more and more and entirely throughout the month, eventually, right? This is an important thing to know, because the research also shows that with HRT, as well as with ADHD medication, that can also help improve that emotional dysregulation and ADHD symptoms.
This is really important to know,
Yeah.
isn't it? Because
Yeah.
I have so many clients that come through who it's only through menopause they've started to realize that they have ADHD.
Yes.
And having information like this can be really helpful.
Yeah. So if we then link back to the high functioning, they say the
Yeah.
high functioning woman, right, has managed to get through her education well. She's managed to get to a certain level in her professional life well.
So when you say high functioning, are we talking about someone who's able to get through life?
Well, no, but more than that. I mean, you know, like I say, the outward presentation looks like, well, you did well in your school.
Yeah.
You went
But
to
no
a
one
good
knows
uni.
how
You did, you know,
intense it's been.
but it's been intense.
Yeah.
And then when they hit menopause, sometimes they just can't climb that wall anymore. And that's where I've seen them.
Okay.
And they've taken time off work. They're completely burnt out. They might even be hitting a point where they're feeling suicidal,
Okay.
and they just can't do it anymore.
Yeah.
Like the brakes are just completely fallen
It's like
off,
that brick wall that
Yeah,
we spoke
they've
about.
hit it.
Yeah.
And that is the impact of the hormones, where it's like, I was coping, it was a struggle, I was coping, and now I'm not coping. Other times in life where you see this is where big life events, you know, women having children,
Yeah.
young children, it's like, right, after my firstborn, then after my secondborn, then it just got too much. I was completely overwhelmed all the time.
Yeah.
And it's when you get these crisis points in your life where you come for help, right?
But this is where do people tend to go? They go to the GP, and this is
Yeah.
why training and just more awareness around this topic is so
Absolutely.
important.
At least to know when to refer.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that, you know, GPs need to know how to do diagnostics,
Yeah.
etc. But at least to know, okay, there are certain red flags here. Let me go and get them checked out by a specialist psychiatrist, you know, just to see if they can be managed.
Or even just doing a screening tool or something where it's like, okay, maybe it may be this. But if we don't know, do we? So it's
absolutely.
important to have just the awareness. And this is why I think, because it's such a new topic and there is so much out there, it's just going to the right relevant websites and
Absolutely.
getting research, not just from anyone on Google or anyone on TikTok, just making sure it comes from the right place.